Good morning, everybody. So, in the last class, we discussed about the preparation of alcohols by using alkenes. So, in that, we discussed by acid catalyzed reaction and also the mechanism of acid catalyzed reaction. And also, next we studied the preparation of alcohols by using the hydroboration oxidation method. So, today we discuss the preparation of alcohols by using carbonyl compounds. So, we can prepare the alcohols even by using the aldehydes and ketones or by using carboxylic acid. Even we can use the that is esters we can use, and also we can use the Grignard reagent. Also we can prepare the alcohols. So let us see how to prepare the alcohols by using aldehydes and ketones. See, first I am using the by the reduction. What here? So aldehydes and ketones by the reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones. See, let us see how to prepare the alcohols by using the reduction of the aldehydes and ketones. That means aldehydes and ketones, they undergoes reduction forming the product that is called as the alcohol. See, generally we know the basic, that is the general formula for aldehyde. What is the general formula? RCHO. This is the general formula of aldehyde. Already we know about the general formula of aldehyde. Here the CHO group is the functional group. It is a functional group of the aldehyde. So when this aldehyde undergoes reduction, so reduction means here addition of hydrogen. We add hydrogen to the aldehyde. So what happens here? There is, in presence of, we are taking the palladium acts as the catalyst. So in the reduction we are taking here palladium, it acts as the catalyst here. So when this aldehyde reacts with the hydrogen, so two hydrogen atoms are there. So these, out of these two hydrogens, one hydrogen attached with the oxygen, then remaining hydrogen combines with this hydrogen. So what it forms? R is there, CH along with one more hydrogen. So CH2, this hydrogen comes here. So RCH2OH. It becomes RCH2OH. So this is the preparation. How to prepare means just we have to take the aldehyde, react with the undergoes reduction, in presence of palladium acts as the catalyst. Finally we are getting the alcohol, a primary alcohol. See, I am taking the example. R is replaced by CH3. So CH3. So R is replaced by methyl group. So in presence of hydrogen, in presence of palladium acts as catalyst, here hydrogen undergoes the reduction. So what it forms here? CH3 as it is, two hydrogens are there, one hydrogen with this carbon, so forming CH2 along with OH. What happens? So there is a formation of CH3, CH2, OH. This is ethyl alcohol. This is called as the ethanol. See, there are two carbon atoms are there. Therefore, this is called as ethanol because it is aldehyde. Ethanol. So this is called as ethanol. We call it as ethanol. Here O is there. Here A is there. This is totally different. If it is A, aldehyde. If it is O, that is alcohol. So we can prepare alcohol by the aldehyde. Even we can prepare alcohol by using ketone. See, in preparation of alcohol by using aldehyde, we are getting the primary alcohol. But when we use the ketone, so we are getting secondary alcohol. Let us see here. That is general formula for ketone. So already you know about the general formula for ketone. What is the general formula? So the general formula for ketone is RCO R dash. This is the general formula. So when it reacts with hydrogen, so this is the general formula of ketone. When it reacts with the hydrogen or reduction in presence of the catalyst palladium. What happens? So again same fashion. So this hydrogen here, one hydrogen and also one hydrogen bonds with the carbon. So RCH, this is OH, this is R dash. RCHOH R dash is the product, that is alcohol. We are getting the alcohol. So example, if you see example CS3 CO CH3 propanone. So 1 2 3 3 carbon atoms are there. It is propanone or 2 propanone. Propanone ONE is the ketone. 1 2 3. So generally you can call it as a propanone. So otherwise you can remove this, just propanone, carbon with oxygen. So when this reacts with hydrogen in presence of PD, so formation of what here, CS3 CH OH CH3. So is it a primary alcohol or secondary alcohol? It should be secondary alcohol because this OH group is attached with the carbon with adjacent two carbon atoms. Therefore it is secondary alcohol, that is propane 2-ol. That is called propane 2-ol. All means here OH group is there, therefore it is ol, OL. Position is 2, second position. So propane 2-ol is the final product of the reaction. So this is the preparation of alcohols by using aldehydes and ketones. Let us see how to prepare alcohols by using carboxylic acid. By using what here? Carboxylic acid. How to prepare the alcohols by the reduction of carboxylic acid. So we can prepare the alcohols by using carboxylic acid. See, the general formula for carboxylic acid is already we know, that is RCOOH is the general formula for carboxylic acid. So when this carboxylic acid undergoes the reduction, so in presence of a dehydrating agent, that is lithium aluminium hydride. So what happens? There is a formation of alcohol takes place. So how it forms? R is there, CH is there. Totally there are 4 hydrogens. I am writing here 4 hydrogens are there. So out of these 4 hydrogens, so here 2 hydrogens are attached here. So remaining 2 hydrogens. So one hydrogen is here and one hydrogen is with H2O. It forms H2O. See here. OH is there along with one more hydrogen. What happens? It is H2O. So minus H2O. You have to remove water because lithium aluminum hydride acts as a dehydrating agent. It removes the water. So when we remove water, there is 3 hydrogens. So one hydrogen attaches here. Remaining 2 hydrogens attaches here. So there is a formation of what? Alcohol takes place. There is a formation of alcohol. See, there is a formation of what? Alcohol takes place. R as it is I am writing. C, so C, O becomes OH, isn't it? C, or I am writing here R, C with 2 hydrogen, therefore it is CH2OH plus what? Plus means here H2O, water, dehydrating means definitely there should, we have to remove the water. So now we take example, R is replaced by CS3CO OH, ethanoic acid it is, ethanoic acid, plus 4H, it undergoes reaction in presence of lithium aluminum hydride. So what it forms? It forms CH3 CH2 OH plus H2O, plus what happens here? H2O. So when ethanoic acid, this is ethanoic acid, because this is carboxylic group, this is COOH group is there with carbon CH3, 1 to 2 carbon, therefore ethanoic acid undergoes reduction in presence of lithium aluminum hydride forming ethyl alcohol. This is ethyl alcohol, or it is also called ethanol, plus H2O, plus H2O. So it is also simple method to prepare the alcohol, or we can prepare alcohol by using another method, that is by using the ester. So we can prepare alcohol by using with the reduction of ester. See, ester we have to use. See, general formula for ester, it's not ether. Ether is different. ROR dash. Here we are taking ester, that is RCOO R dash. RCOO R dash. Or you can write here RCOO R dash as RCOO R dash. I am writing here. See, this undergoes the reduction. This undergoes the 2 moles of H2 in presence of, here we can take lithium aluminum hydride as the catalyst, or you can take platinum, or you can take palladium PD, or you can take nickel. So I am taking nickel as the catalyst. You can take lithium aluminum hydride, you can take palladium, or you can take the nickel. So when this reacts, ester reacts, undergoes reduction in presence of nickel, so what happens here? RC is there, here 4 hydrogens are there, so I am writing 4 hydrogens here, 2 hydrogens. So when these 2 hydrogens attaches here, so it becomes RCH2, then this hydrogen attaches here, RCH2 OH forms, then remaining R dash OH. So when this oxygen combines with hydrogen, what happens? This OH, so these 2 hydrogens will come here, this position, RCH2 OH plus R dash, this is OH. So RCH2OH plus R dash OH is the byproduct. We are getting byproduct. Both are alcohols. Both are alcohols. See, if I take CH3, CO, O, C3H7 and take C3H7. This is propyl ethanoate. This is called as the propyl ethanoate. I am taking ethanoate, OATE8. So it is a suffix, okay, suffix OATE plus 2H2 in presence of catalyst nickel. So what happens here? CH3 CO is there, so add 2 hydrogen here, so 1 hydrogen here, RCH2 OH along with CH3 C3H7, O is there, H is there, therefore we are getting CH3, just replace R by CH3, CH2 OH plus R dash replace C3H7 OH. We are getting 2 alcohols. So this is called as ethanol. This is a propanol. This is a propanol because 3 carbon atoms are there. Here 2 carbon atoms are there. So these are some methods of preparation of the alcohols. So let us discuss in the next video. We will discuss the remaining part, the Grignard reagent. We can prepare alcohols also by using the Grignard reagent and some chemical properties, and we discuss in the next class. Thank you.